You might think all personal blenders are basically the same until you try one that can't crush ice, leaks everywhere, or burns out after just a few uses. But there's an even bigger issue most people never talk about. Many personal blenders use cheap plastic parts that can affect taste, durability, and performance, especially in US homes where daily smoothies, shakes, and coffee drinks are a routine. In this video, we're uncovering the hidden problem with personal blenders, why it matters, and we'll also review the best personal blenders for US homes that actually deliver on power, build quality, and real-world results. Let's get real. Most people buy a personal blender thinking it'll magically turn everything into silky smoothies, only to find a jar full of chunks and a motor that sounds like a jet engine. That's the hidden problem most folks never talk about. Sure, personal blenders look handy, but if you don't know what to look for, you'll end up frustrated and underwhelmed. Here's how to avoid that. The biggest issue? Power versus performance. Many blenders tout high speed, but without enough wattage and torque, soft fruits blend fine while tough ingredients, like ice, frozen fruit, nut butters, get ignored or grind unevenly. That means lumpy smoothies instead of creamy ones. So first, check motor strength. 600 to 1200 watts is the sweet spot for real, everyday blending without overheating. Next up, blade design and build quality make a huge difference. Cheap blades often fail to pull ingredients down. A multi-angle, stainless steel blade setup paired with a tight seal wins every time. Once you have power and blades covered, think about jar capacity and lid design. Too small and you'll be doing batch after batch. Too big and it spills everywhere. Another often overlooked snag? Heat from friction. When a personal blender runs too long, the motor gets hot, and some units don't have good heat dissipation or auto shutoff protection. That leads to burnt smells or motor overload faster than you think. So prioritize units with thermal protection and cooling vents so it lasts longer. Then there's ease of cleaning, removable parts, and dishwasher-safe jars. Make this something you'll actually use daily, not dread after one smoothie. Noise level also matters. Early morning blending shouldn't wake everyone in the house. And finally, check warranty and support. Even small appliances benefit from a solid 1-year backstop. Hidden mistake to avoid. Assuming all personal blenders handle ice and tough ingredients equally. Most don't. Once you know this, you won't settle for mediocre blends again. To help you pick well, we've selected 5 best personal blenders, and you can grab them with the Amazon links in the description. At number 5, we have the Magic Bullet Blender. Finished in silver and built with a 250-watt high-torque motor, this blender is ideal for small kitchens, dorm rooms, offices, or anyone who wants fast results without a bulky appliance. The set includes a 250 watts motor base, stainless steel crossblade, tall cup, short cup, and party mug, along with lip rings, stay fresh resealable lids, a to-go lid, and a 10-second recipe guide. All cups are made from high-impact, BPA-free plastic, ensuring safe, everyday use. With its compact, single-serve design, the Magic Bullet can chop, mix, blend, whip, and grind, making it useful for smoothies, protein shakes, sauces, dips, omelets, and simple meal prep. Despite its small size, the blender delivers enough power for most soft fruits, liquids, and basic blending tasks. For vegetables, adding about half a cup of water helps achieve a smoother blend. Cleanup is easy, as the cups are dishwasher safe and the lightweight build makes storage effortless. The Magic Bullet comes with a 1-year limited warranty, offering basic protection for home use and weighs 3.25 pounds. Customer feedback highlights that it is easy to use and clean, especially for smoothies and protein shakes. However, reviews are mixed regarding size and performance. Some users love its personal use convenience, while others find it too small or note reduced effectiveness with frozen fruits. Best for single users, quick smoothies, and simple blending tasks. All the best buying links are in the description. At number 4, we have the Hduka Smoothie Blender. Powered by a 1200 watts motor with speeds reaching 25,000 revolutions per minute, this countertop blender is designed to handle ice, frozen fruits, nuts, and hard ingredients with ease, delivering smooth results for shakes, smoothies, frozen drinks, nut butters, purees, and juices. This is a 2-in-1 blender and grinder combo, featuring a 6-blade stainless steel assembly for blending and a 2-blade attachment for grinding. It efficiently processes both wet and dry ingredients, allowing you to grind nuts, spices, coffee, and grains alongside preparing smoothies, sauces, dips, baby food, and milkshakes. The blender includes 3 BPA-free portable cups, 37 ounces, 32 ounces, and 23 ounces, making it suitable for family use, individual servings, and on-the-go lifestyles. Designed with safety and durability in mind, the blender operates only when the cup is properly locked or pressed down. A leak-resistant design for non-slip suction cups and side and bottom ventilation windows help ensure stable operation, efficient heat dissipation, and longer motor life. The unit weighs 6.87 pounds, offering a balance between stability versatility and portability. Operation is simple: align, press, and twist to blend without complicated buttons or settings. Cleanup is easy thanks to a self-cleaning function and dishwasher-safe cups. Customers praise its strong performance, versatility, ease of cleaning, and value, noting its ability to crush ice and frozen fruit effortlessly. For latest pricing, check the product links in the description. Ninja naturally comes to mind whenever blenders are being talked about. At number 3, we have the Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender. Equipped with a 700-watt motor, this portable blender uses Ninja's Pulse technology to power through fruits, vegetables, ice, and frozen ingredients directly in the cup. The Ninja Fit excels at nutrient extraction, breaking down whole fruits and vegetables to help unlock vitamins and nutrients, including tougher skins and seeds that are often discarded. Its strong frozen blending capability allows it to crush ice and pulverize frozen fruit for smoothies, shakes, and frozen drinks, making it a practical alternative to bulkier juicers and ice crushers. Designed with simplicity in mind, this blender features a push-to-blend operation that's intuitive and beginner-friendly. Its compact footprint fits easily on any countertop, while the Blend and Go design lets you prepare drinks directly in the included 2 16-ounces BPA-free cups. All removable parts are dishwasher-safe, making cleanup quick and hassle-free. The unit includes a blade assembly, 2 spout lids, and a 50-recipe inspiration guide to help you get started. It comes with a 1-year limited warranty for added peace of mind. Customers praise its fast blending, compact size, and ease of use, though some note it can be loud during operation. Want to know the latest prices? Just head to the product links in the description. At number 2, we have the Utilant Cordless Portable Blender. Despite its small size, this blender delivers countertop-level performance, easily blending ice and frozen fruit for smooth, consistent results. It features a 25 ounces Tri-10 blending vessel, 22 ounce max when blending, that is BPA-free, unbreakable, and removable. The cordless design makes it ideal for travel, work, gym, or outdoor use. A 16.8V rechargeable battery pack with an advanced battery management system provides strong, stable power and long runtime. It supports USB-C fast charging and fully recharges in about 1.5 hours, with an indicator light reminding you when it's time to charge. The blender weighs just 2.75 pounds, enhancing portability. Operation is simple and versatile thanks to 4 intelligent programs: Smoothie, Ice Crush, Extract, and Pulse. These presets allow both automatic and manual control while preventing accidental blending. A built-in safety mechanism ensures the base will not operate unless the vessel is properly attached. The leak-proof sip spout lid and silicone carry handle make it convenient to drink and transport without spills. Cleaning is effortless, with the lid and vessel being top-rack dishwasher safe, plus a self-clean cycle using water and soap. Comes with a 1-year limited warranty. Customers praise its power, portability, battery life, and ease of use, especially for frozen fruit smoothies. For current pricing, follow the links in the description. At number 1, we have the Beast Mighty 850 Plus, a premium compact personal blender designed for users who want top-tier performance in a space-saving form. Powered by a supercharged 850-watt motor, this blender easily crushes ice and blends frozen fruit, delivering smooth, creamy results that rival much larger countertop blenders. It weighs 4.8 pounds, is BPA-free, and uses durable stainless steel blades built to handle tough ingredients repeatedly without loss of performance. Beyond smoothies and shakes, this blender excels at kitchen versatility. It can grind coffee beans, prepare sauces, dips, dressings, and even desserts, making it a true multitasker for everyday cooking. Its compact footprint makes it ideal for apartments, dorm rooms, offices, and small kitchens. Designed for busy lifestyles, the Blend Sip and Go system allows you to blend and drink from the same vessel. The spill-proof lids and innovative straw cap system eliminate the need for extra cups, reducing cleanup and saving time. The package is generous, including an 850 watts blender base, Beast Mighty blade, cleaning brush, 3 blending vessels, 26 ounces, 22 ounces, 14 ounces, storage lids, drinking lid, carry cap, straw cap, 2 straws, and a straw cleaning brush. Customer feedback highlights its excellent blending power, compact design, and premium build quality, though cleaning opinions are mixed. Best for smoothie lovers, small kitchens, and users wanting premium performance in a compact blender. Don't forget, all the best buying links are in the description. If you want to speed up all your kitchen prep, check this video on food processors. They make chopping, shredding, and slicing a breeze.